everyone. What is the date today?
Today
31st
is
March.
31st of March 2026.
31st of March 2026. Now today I will give a demo on topic fraction. Okay. First of all, what is fraction? We will write the definition of fraction. Fraction is a numerical representation of parts of a whole. What is meant by that? I will give an example. Through that I will define it. Let's take a cake, and I am dividing this whole cake into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. It should be equal. Okay, it should be equal. I am dividing it 4 equal parts, and from here I am taking this 1 part. So here we can say we are taking 1/4 of this cake. We can write this 1/4 of this whole cake. So how we can represent this in numerical methods? Numerically. For this we are using fraction. For that, for the whole part what we are dividing into, that part we will write the below this part. How much part we total we are dividing?
4.
Here? 4. We will write 4 here. And how much part we are taking here?
1.
This one we will write in the upper portion. Okay. And this the top numerical part is called numerator. It's called numerator. Or this the bottom numerical part is called denominator. Okay. Now there is 3 types of fraction. I will now discuss the types of fraction. First, proper fraction. When numerator less than denominator, that time we will call the proper fraction. I will give an example where I last time give. If we consider a whole thing and if we divide it into 8 parts, let's take 8 equal parts. Okay. And from here we are taking 2 parts. So 2 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Here 2 less than 8. So it is a proper fraction. Okay. Now next is improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator will be greater or equals to denominator. I will give one example. Let's say we are taking 2 whole things. Here we are dividing this in equal 2 parts, and from here we are taking here all the parts, and from here we are taking 1 part. So here the whole things will be 2. And from here we are taking 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 here. And 3 numerator is greater than denominator 2. So it's the improper fraction. And last one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Numerator is mixed fraction is combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Here, if we consider 3 whole cake and we are dividing into 3 parts. We are dividing it into 3 parts and we are taking this whole part and this part. So if we are from these 3, we are taking 2 whole part. We will write 2 here, and whole thing is 3, and we are taking 1 from here. We will write 1 here. Is the mixed fraction. Okay. There is another fraction that's called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is nothing but the same value. The two different numerical fraction which is showing the same value, it's called the equivalent fraction. Same value. How? Like if we write 1 by 2 and if we write 2 by 4, if we simplify it, we will get again it's 1 by 2 only. So these two fraction is called equivalent fraction. Like that, another example is 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2 again. So these are equivalent fractions.
Done.